This is going to be a blizzard in every sense of the term, so make sure you are prepared for significant travel delays all around this storm, but especially on the backside on those roads, as the blowing and drifting snow is going to be quite intense. Also, if I push this back, I just look at the winds. Like, everybody in the United States pretty much is going to get hit by this storm in some way, even if it's just strong winds. Even outside of the thunderstorms that will be moving through here in Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee on Saturday morning, we could see wind gusts over 60 miles per hour